Okay, so today, Gemma, we're going to be working with the long A sound. Now, I'm going to show you 3 of the most common ways to spell words that have the A sound. Okay, so I'm going to divide this board into 3 columns right here. This first way, you've seen it in other stories that we've read. When words come with the A and then they have a consonant and then you see a sneaky silent E.
A consonant.
Yes, this silent E will make this vowel a long vowel. And then we have a I that usually, not all the time, but usually come in the middle of a word to make the A sound. And then finally, we have a Y that tend to come at the end of the word to make the A sound. So we have a sneaky silent E, a I, a Y. Okay, so I'm going to start off by writing a few words on this board. And if you see that a word has a sneaky silent E, it's going to go in this first column. If a word has a I to make the A sound, it goes in this column. And if it has a Y, it'll go in this column.
How do I write the word?
No, I'm going to write a few words for you here, and then you're going to go ahead and see them, okay? Let me go ahead. You know what? And I shouldn't have to hide them from you. Just don't do anything yet. You can be looking them over as I'm writing them for you and start deciding where you're going to put each one.
Peripheral vision.
Oh, I already see it.
You already see some? Okay. Now, as you're erasing some, as you're writing some, I'll be erasing and adding new ones. Okay? All right, so let's give you a black marker.
Okay, so pretend you can't get out of that.
Okay.
Oh.
All right, go ahead.
If you wanted to see things that are over here, exactly, you would have to turn your head. Because you can't see from the corner of your eye. If that answers your question.
No, here.
Okay, so let's go ahead and read paragraph 1.
It was too cold? What?
I'm not sure. We would have to read.
Why not? That's true.
Possibly, but that's why.
Yes, you should. I miss your pizza. Do you miss me?
Unless it was a cool moon. I mean, what's
Your,
it called?
yeah, it's very cute. Your dog is going to help you with your quiz.
Cellular eclipse.
An eclipse?
Yes.
Oh.
Well, but even then you would need special glasses.
Glasses.
Yes.
So which one?
Okay, so let's read more about the eye.
That helps you see things in the world around you. Your eyes. Here, I just gave a thing. It's
¿Se llama Lola?
Topic sentence. Yes.
your
¿Tu
eyes
perrito se llama Lola? ¿El que me enseñaste ahorita?
to your brain.
Oh, no, hold on.
Él se llama
Can you ask Miss Jenny to let you out, please? Thank you.
Okay, we'll go paragraph 7 and graph together.
Y ella se llama Lola.
Sight helps you see things in the world around you. Your eyes send messages to your brain.
Jenny, can you please let him out?
I'm sorry?
Can you please let Gerald out?
Gerald,
Thank you. Okay. Okay, let me write 3. Actually, you know what? I'm going to not write any more words. And first, I would like, as you read each one in the A sneaky silent E, I want you to indicate where the A sneaky silent E is. Okay, so as you read it, so for example, you would say the first one, shade, and then you would go ahead and find the A sneaky silent E, like that. Okay, go ahead. Go on to the next.
Alright, so your eyes send messages to your brain, right?
Good. Next one.
And your brain tells you
Yes.
what you are seeing. Eyesight is
Last one.
Remember we know the last
What is it?
subtractions to finish our worksheet?
Fake. does look like fake. Flake. Okay. It's these masks that I can't hear.
You covered your eyes.
Yes, I tried.
Good. Okay, now using that same spelling pattern, I'm going to give you 2 words to spell for me. And we will go ahead and separate each sound before I ask you to spell it, okay? First, say the word state.
Okay, Isa.
Let's separate each sound. A. Can you please spell it for me?
Our vision is very important, right?
Can you see
But
it?
unfortunately, like we said, there are little
Excellent. And where did you put the A, sneaky, silent E? There it is. Okay, one more. Can you please say the word
So you're
place? Ready?
What's your favorite show?
A. S. Go ahead and write it for me.
Then there's people who can't hear,
Oh, they're deaf.
but they can
Okay.
See, that's the special language.
Mira.
We learned it in
Yeah, on this one.
Good. Now, I agree with you. We do hear the S that is made by the S right here in between the A and the C. But in this case, it would be done, which you and I have done in the past, a soft C rule. This is a very common spelling pattern with the A sneaky silent E, the ACE, the ACE. Okay? Look, I'm going to ask you to spell another one with this spelling pattern. Can you spell the word lace? A. There it is. Perfect. Okay, so now let's move on to the AI, where the AI together are going to make the A sound and be indicating where you find the AI in each word. Go ahead.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the timer, Isa,
So
okay?
like the cherry from the A.
2,
Okay, can you read the first one?
3, start. 3
Nail.
minutes, remember.
Nail.
That's how they learn how to read.
You have to do spiky stuff?
No, not spiky stuff, no. Okay, let's go ahead and move on.
Yes, I'm glad you took your time on that one. And it's okay if you separate the sounds like that slowly as you're concentrating and putting the sounds together to come up with the word. Okay, so using the same spelling pattern, can you spell the word chain? A-N.
So the white part of my eye is the square.
The whole white part of your eyeball?
Continue, remember, you have to finish that
Yes.
whole.
Oh, you noticed. Yes, you noticed the mistake that you made. It's okay. So you had put A sneaky silent E, but now you're putting AI. Yes. Good. Okay. One more.
Alright,
Can you please spell the word
the sclera. This
train?
is a coating
Er,
that
A,
covers most
N.
of the eyeball.
Train.
The cornea, the cornea. We're about to.
Excellent. And you see how train also has the word rain in there, which we wrote first. Okay, go ahead and indicate with this column now where the A sound is for each word. We see that it's at the end in each one. Can you spell them for me, please?
Stay gray.
No, those are the blood vessels.
Okay, can you now, using the same spelling pattern, can you spell the word say?
Well, let me show you. The white part of your eye is the sclera, right?
Well, if you remember from our soft C,
Part where we
the
have, like, the color
C
of
only
the
makes
eye
S when it's next to the E,
is
I, or
covered.
Y. So in this case, it's going to be next to the A, right? So yes, you chose correctly. It's the S.
Like kind of like glasses, just like in your
A.
on your eye.
Kind of, sort of, but it pops out a little. So if you were to see the eye, if you were to look at someone from the side,
Perfect. Yes, because look, you hear the A at the end of the word, and it's done with AY. Okay, I'm going to ask you to spell one more. Can you please spell the word
cornea, it
ray? R,
everything that's inside
A.
your eye. You know how like dirt flies
Good.
or
And you
whatever.
also used AY, and that's at the end of the word. Okay, let's go ahead and erase this board and move on to our game. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and play this mace game where we are going to be reading words with the A spelling pattern. So just to remind you from earlier, we went ahead and used and read words with a sneaky silent E to make the A. And then in between that, there's a consonant. Then a I in the middle of a word, usually, to make A.
And then A-I always at the end.
Yes, typically at the end. So here's what you're going to do. I'm going to get a pencil for you. Actually, you know what? Let's get this purple marker, because what you're going to do is you're going to roll the dice, and then you're going to move that many spaces. Whatever space you land on, I want to see if you can identify the A spelling pattern. Show it to me, mark it with your purple marker, and read the word. And then you can stay on that space. Okay? So we have 2 game markers. We have our apple and our strawberry. Which one do you want? Strawberry. Okay, I'll be the apple. All right, are you ready? You go first. Okay, 3 spaces. 1. Oh, so easy. And what A spelling pattern? The A-Y. Good. Okay, my turn. 2. 1, 2. Can I borrow your purple marker? So this one, I see the A-I right in the middle, and that would be chain. Okay, your turn.
Alright, I'm above you.
Oh, and what A spelling pattern?
Is the black circle
Okay,
you see in the
Let's-
center.
Good, and what's that word?
The iris.
Say it louder.
The iris.
Plate. Yes, my turn. And you notice the A sneaky silent E. 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I see the AI in the middle. Gain.
Okay, I make some.
Your turn.
Let it more light. When there is
2.
light,
1, 2,
the iris
Okay.
ring.
Yes, and what A spelling pattern? AI in the middle. My turn.
okay? Draw an iris.
Oh, just one? So I landed on yours. So that's going to be so easy because you already marked it for me. The AI. Rain. Okay. The 2 fruits together. Okay, your turn.
Okay, so when it is
Oi, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, let's turn this.
Veil.
Yes, and what A spelling pattern? Good job, Gemma. Okay, my turn. Oh, 2. 1, 2. The AY right here. A for gray. You are definitely beating me. Okay, keep
when
going.
there's already light outside.
Another 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Play.
And what A spelling pattern?
Right?
AY. Okay, my turn.
Does or the
2. 1, 2. Man, I'm so behind. I just can't catch up. AY. May. Your turn. 5.
1, 2, 3,
Because it's
4,
not gonna need
5.
that much.
Ooh. Yes, and look at that. Hey, there's that ace that we saw earlier, remember? With place and lace. Remember I told you this ACE? Very common spelling pattern with the A. Okay.
Because our eyes are darker.
4.
We really have to
1, 2, 3, 4. AY.
have
J.
colored eyes, it's
Okay.
easy. You can see
Your
their
turn.
pupil.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
As in
Okay. So let's turn this one.
Say.
Yes, and what A spelling pattern do you have?
Just because they want to look different with their eye color.
OMG, I think you just beat me.
If
Okay, my turn.
I get a 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have the AY right there, so that would be sleigh.
But they
Well,
make them colored.
you got it. 1, 2. Okay, can you read the last word that you would have had? Jail with the
I
AI.
mean, as long as
Hey, did you have fun?
That's fun.
Awesome.